Hello, I'm Nem, and today we're going to learn how to make an arcade type font in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, we're going to start by making our canvas. So I want to make my canvas 7 by 5, 300 DPI. There we go. And then we're going to go to our layers, and then I want to make my background black, so I'm just going to do that. And then let's go to our text tool, get nice big right here. And then I want to make my text white first. And then I'm going to type in my text. Click Control T. For my text settings, I have it as a bulky font, like Impact, because it just works better with this effect. And I want the spaces to be 150, the spaces in between the letters. All right. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to convert this to a smart object. And then once we do that, we'll go to the adjustment layers, go down to threshold, and then click on our text font or our text. And then go down to pixelate and then mosaic. And that's where we get our arcade type font. The next thing we're gonna do, because this is a bit lacking in stuff, so I'm gonna add some stuff to it. So first we're gonna convert these layers to a smart object, including the background, and then we're gonna go to select, color range, and then select the white part of the text, and then mask out the background. So what's gonna happen is it's gonna only affect the text, and then we're gonna add back our background. Next, we're gonna go to blending options, and then I'm gonna go to gradient overlay, and I already have my overlay set. I have it set at 0 degrees. You can see the settings here. And then we're gonna go to inner glow, and then I have these settings. I have it at the blend mode pin light. There we go. After that, we're gonna click Control J for this layer. I'm gonna name this Retro 1. Oh. Okay. And we're gonna go to blending options for the copy, and then click on R and G, and then move this layer to the left a little. There we go. Okay. Yeah. And then so what we're gonna do next is we're gonna convert these two to a smart object. There we go. And then I want to add a bit of shadow to the bottom of my text, so I'm gonna go to solid color, black, and then invert this, and then I'm gonna make this a clipping mask. So then I'm gonna go to my brush. I'm gonna make it kind of faint. There we go. Then next, I'm gonna go to back to blending options, and then go to outer glow. And right here, I have this nice little gradient for my outer glow. Next, we're gonna click Control J for this layer, and then go back to blending options. And this time, you're gonna unclick G and B. And then we're gonna go to our move tool and move this to the right a bit. Yep. That's the spot. All right. Is it the spot? I guess it's the spot. Alright, yeah. And then we're going to combine these two layers. Or convert them to smart objects. And then I'm going to go to our adjustment layers, go to exposure, and then we're going to pump up our exposure bits. And then the offset to make it look old. We're gonna lower this. There we go. And then I want to add a background that's not black, so could add a gradient. Let's do that. And that is our tutorial.